The maintenance required light on your 2020-2021 Toyota Highlander is a reminder from the Oil Life Monitoring System, OLMS, not a malfunction indicator. It signals that your oil life has reached 0%, typically after 7,500 miles with conventional oil or 10,000 miles with synthetic. Resetting the light simply restarts the counter for the next service interval. It doesn't replace actual maintenance. To reset, ensure your Highlander is in park with the ignition in the on position, engine off. Ensure your Highlander is in park with the ignition in the on position, engine off. Use the touchscreen to navigate to Vehicle Settings or Setup wrench icon, then Maintenance or Oil Maintenance. Select Reset or Oil Life Reset and confirm. Turn the ignition off and then on again to verify the reset. This process works for both hybrid and non-hybrid models. Skipping the actual oil change before resetting can lead to engine damage and void warranties, so always perform the necessary maintenance first. The trend is towards digital integration, with Toyota's app allowing for virtual maintenance schedule resets when synced, though manual resets remain primary. Future models aim for AI-driven maintenance via Toyota Smart Connect, potentially automating resets based on real-time data by 2030. Remember, resetting without changing the oil can lead to significant engine problems. While DIY resets are common, a 2025 J.D. Power survey indicates that only 60% of owners perform resets themselves, with an 80% success rate. Others prefer dealership assistance. Expert mechanics emphasize that resetting without service is risky. Always follow Toyota's guidelines and consult the owner's manual. If the light reappears shortly after a reset, it may indicate a system glitch or underlying issue requiring professional diagnosis.